Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Indian Cements Limited, which is a company owned by Big Shots, and Radhakrishna Damani is also one of the investor in this company. So it's good to trade in such stocks because the stock has good management. So this is the technical chart of Indian Cements. The stock on listing was in a hype and fell down more than 60% from the top, and the stock once again took its momentum on 2003 and gave a fantastic return of 1300%. And once again, after giving the fantastic return, the stock gave a downfall from there. Until now it haven't crossed that high, which is a all-time high that formed at 2007. And now currently the stock is quite bullish, and the bull run may start if the stock moves above the current market price. So let me draw the trend line that governs the stock. So this stock was in the same trend line for more than 10 years. Now the stock is currently in uptrend and the volumes are very much favorable for the uptrend. So it's good to go long in the stock. Look at the stock at the breakout level. The stock actually took a breakout from the long consolidation zone. So it's good to go long in the stock. So let me move to the weekly chart to analyze the chart in further details. So this is the weekly chart of Indian Cements. The stock actually follows the technicals very cleanly. Look at the line here. The line actually broke currently at now current market price. The stock is very much bullish, and let me draw the major trend line and the lines to be considered in the stock. So one can go long in the stock because the stock is highly bullish. And look at the volumes. The volumes in green are very much huge, so the buyers are very strong in the stock, and the stock is currently above the major resistance level. So it's going long at current market price is also preferable in the stock. And look at the resistance zone. Stock broke a resistance which was acted as a resistance for more than 6 months. Currently the stock gave a breakout from the consolidation zone here. The consolidation was took out with huge candle and very much less sellers, and the stock is again with a good volume. So going long in the stock is very much preferable. So make sure you subscribe to our channel so that we will be encouraged to do such videos on regular basis. And if you like the video, hit like button and feel free to comment below your queries and questions, and join us on Telegram, in which we will clarify your doubts as soon as possible. So now let's move to the daily chart. Let me clear all these lines. Currently the stock is above the major resistance level, which is acted as a resistance. Now it's a support for the stock. So it's good to go long in the stock because the stock was on a huge consolidation for more than 5 months, and now the stock gave a good breakout with good volume, and the volume is decreasing on the retracement. So the sign of reversal is also good in the stock, and after hitting the sub demand zone, the stock took its uptrend here. So it's very good to go long in the stock, and one can take long positions at current market price. But for the safer entries, one can wait till the price to reach the 210 range, which can be taken as the safer entry for the stock. 210 can be taken as the safer entry, but at current market price is also good to enter, which is around 190. 190 is also good to enter in the stock because the stock is in the long term breakout. So taking entry at current market price is also well, and taking entry at current market price, which will give you a 20% upside on hitting the target, which is around 229 range. 229 can be taken as the target, but taking safe entry will give a 10% return on investment, and it's good to go long in both cases, but going long at current market price is also preferable, and one can take 260 as a second target for this stock. 229 can be taken as the first target and 260 range can be taken as the second target. The second target is around 35% upside from the current market price. So going long at current market price is also good in this stock, and taking safer entry is also fine, but the profitability will be affected if you take a safer entry. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button and subscribe to our channel, and feel free to comment below. Thank you.